We are here, as you can see, at Eibach today.
It is, and it's a beautiful day in Southern California. We're actually located in Corona, California. So if you're local, we got some very, very, very exciting news. I lied. If you're not local, we got some very exciting news.
I mean, either way, it's pretty exciting.
Either way, because I think we get to go on a tour.
Yes, and I cannot wait. I want to see how they wind it up and curl it up, because I'm pretty good at it in my hair, so maybe we'll get a demonstration.
What are they? Oh, my Gucci glasses? Are they Gucci?
Because safety first.
Or Prada. Are they Prada? Okay, that works. Close enough.
Just put them on.
I get safety glasses. What do I always say? No glove, no love. I think that's what I always say.
It's a little different because they're glasses, but yes.
No protection.
Let's make a left.
Follow you.
All of our springs. And that concludes our Eibach tour.
Well, thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you. Oh, this isn't where we came in from.
Y'all turned around.
Oh, no way.
You're getting the Eibach's bought direct, installed direct, and then aligned all like here in the same facility. From the same guys who've done all the test fitting and prototypes and everything else. So.
Right. So that's open to anybody local.
Yeah. Okay, call in.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Are you excited?
I'm super.
All right, so we just finished the tour, and wow, I was not expecting it to be that big. Pause. Because I've been here before. Have you been here before?
I have not done the tour before, so that was a treat for me.
You've not. See, the most I've done is just go to the will call, pick up some springs, and I've been to the Eibach meets, of course. Who hasn't been to the Eibach meets?
I've been to the parking lot.
Me too. We saw the entire process. Finally got to see what the springs, how they're made, especially for her Type R. So that's pretty cool. Saw some of the SI stuff as well. And actually learned something. It's weird. Sometimes you learn stuff when you go on tours. So what I learned is, if you see my install videos on my SI, I did not cut the bump stock. Skirt. Big mistake. You need to cut the bump stock.
So in conclusion, we learned a lot today. These fresh springs are about to go in my CTR, and I am excited.
Yes, and on the next video, you'll see what it looks like when we go to the Eibach Headquarters in Grady Mead.
Dun dun dun, I'm excited.